In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your YouTube channel. Now to verify it, first you should go here on the top right corner. Here you can see your profile icon. Click on it and go to YouTube Studio. As you can see here, here is a YouTube Studio. Go to YouTube Studio. And after that, here you can see this type of window. Now go to settings. As you can see here at the bottom left, here you can see setting. Click on it and go to channel here, and here you can see the eligibility. Click on it, and the first one is standard features, which is already enabled, and second one is intermediate features. If you don't enable this, you can post videos over 15 minutes or upload custom thumbnails and also live stream. Now to enable it, click on this, and here you can see verify your phone number. Click on it. Now select your country, which country you are living, and put your phone number. Now before putting your number, put your country code, and now put your phone number and click on next, and you will receive a 6-digit verification code, and my verification code is this. Now click on submit, and now your phone number is verified. Okay, now you can close this window, and now as you can see this is enabled as well. Now let's go to advanced features, and if you enable this, it will increase the daily video uploads and live stream, and with this you can also apply for monetization. Okay, now let's enable this as well. Now you should choose one of these: video verification, valid ID, or channel history. If you want to do face verification, then you can select this one. If you don't, then you can also choose valid ID, which is national ID card. And at last, here is the channel history. If you have the old channel, then you can choose this as well. Now click on access features. If you have the ID card, you can click on the take photo of your ID. If you don't, then take a 6-second video of yourself. Okay, now click on next, and here you can see you will get a verification code on your phone. So you can click on get email, or you can scan the QR code instead. Click on get email. Here you can see we sent you an email. Now open your Gmail, and here you can see Google has sent a verification request. And now click on start verification. And after that, if you have this account on your mobile phone, then you can open your camera and scan this QR code. And if you don't have this email, then first log in this email on your phone, and then open your camera and scan this QR code and click on it. And after that, it will take you to this kind of window. Now click on next, and here you can select the ID type. If you have the driving license, then you can click on driving license. If you don't, then click on passport and click on next. And now go to the bottom and click I agree. And if you have the password in your hand, then you can directly click from this phone, or if you don't, then click on upload instead, and go to gallery and click on your password. And now here you can see the verification is in progress, and here you can see thanks for submitting your ID card. Google now needs to review your ID. This may have to take 24 hours, and after 24 hours your account is verified. And now as you can see this is also enabled, and yeah, now you are all set and good to go.